trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down.
What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. Got a Cummins rolling by. Hopefully you didn't see what this video is about. You guys probably can already tell by the title. We got new wheels and tires. I'm going to go into a little bit more of an explanation on the wheels and tires and size difference and everything and what the plan is here in a minute. I know, blown up truck, we're about to rebuild it. Just bear with me. But for right now, we're going to detail it because we got a car show tomorrow, which is Sunday if you're watching this now. We're going to Cars and Coffee Anaheim. So we're going to get this thing detailed. I'll show you the wheels after.
Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No. I won't stop.
Alrighty guys, so now that the truck is all cleaned up, looking pretty good, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the wheels here. So these are the old ones that we used to have on the truck. I don't kind of see through them, but anyways, so these were 38 15.5 R20s on some monster off-road rims that were kind of just bought just to you know, fill the gap here because I need more offset. So as you can see, these are a little bit smaller on the backside for now, but the width is about the same. Well, it is the same actually. They're both 15.5s, but we have Fuels, off-road wheels. They're like the Blades D something, I don't know, a bunch of numbers, kind of irrelevant, but these are Mickey Thompson Baja MTZs P3s, 36 by 15.5, so we are a little bit smaller actually, but as you can see, these puppies are about brand new and these puppies are pretty whipped. There's one over here that I think broke a band. This one, oh, they're still heavy. And you can see, I don't know if I mentioned in another video, it's pretty much flat here, but the rest of the tire is good, but it kind of looks bumped up here. Like the alignment was fine, we rotated the tires, everything. But this one was just wearing, this was the only one that was wearing bad. The other front tire was fine, both the backs, this was the other front. You can see it's, you know, it's worn down, but it's still pretty, or no, this is the bad one. I don't know, I guess both the fronts were kind of getting bad. But anyways, we got some new tires. These are the ones on the back that, see, it's about time for a rotation anyways, but I don't know, they just got spanked really quick. So yeah, so we made some trades, which actually, I'll show you here, but, oh yeah. But as you can see, stance life is gone, and this truck is currently back on steels. So the reason being for all of this, and the whole plan in the long run, right, is we're rebuilding this truck. So if we have two sets, 20 by 14s, negative 76, well, negative 75, negative 76. If we have two sets, and there's a knockoff set that's cross drilled, like dual drilled for two set lug patterns, and we have one that's a name brand nice wheel. Why not put the nice wheels on the truck we're going to take to shows, and take these 20 by 14s, get them mounted with some smaller tires, and put them on that truck. Oh, there's Coyote in the window. Every time I'm outside she gets all paranoid. So the plan is get these 38s off these tires, put some like 305, 50, R20 Nitto Terra grapplers on that truck so we can tow with it better than the 420s that we had, and kind of make this, start this truck to be a little bit cleaner. So as of right now, these wheels will stay on it if we get a wheel sponsor. We're trying to get into SEMA, and you know, I was thinking the other night, and I'm gonna need your guys' help. If any of you guys can do renderings, let me know. I'll pay you respectively. But I would like to do a rendering of this truck of final product, and I was thinking about entering SEMA Young Guns. So might be our only ticket into SEMA for this year, but I think it'd be cool to, when we redo everything and make the truck nice this year, is to get it into SEMA Young Guns, a full custom built Duramax, one of a kind, compound turboed, ZF6 manual, solid axle swap truck. And yeah, I just think we have a chance if we really do it right, but it's going to take some serious time. So if any of you guys can help me out with that, let me know. That would be much appreciated. Like I said, we're going to a car show tomorrow, so I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning this thing up. I just want to show you guys the wheels and tires real quick. So I guess technically the first upgrade for the truck, I'm actually pretty stoked. They just look better. I mean, not my favorite wheel. Neither are these. I mean, I like the little bit thinner spokes on these, but these are like gloss, like nice. These are kind of matte, like boring. These are square and dished, and these are a bunch of weird angles. So I don't know. I just think it looks better. It's gonna look a little bit better going down the road, you know. Now it kind of just makes the truck look a little bit cleaner, if you will. So we got these mounted up, everything tightened up. A little bit smaller, but it is what it is. I think that's gonna do it for today, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna clean the interior and the rest of this truck. If any of you guys can help me with that SEMA rendering, let me know. I will be looking forward to doing that. I'm gonna reach out to a few companies if not, but basically, if we go ahead and do that and make a submission and get accepted into the process, I'm gonna need your guys' help to, you know, help boost up the votes and get me in there. So we're gonna start working on this, hopefully reach out to some sponsors and everything, but yeah, it would should be pretty badass. So let me know what you guys think. If you're new here, make sure you smash that subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys probably tomorrow after the car show. So we're gonna roll out with a bunch of homies and go have some fun. I'm out of here, guys. Take it easy.